How to reset Instagram algorithm. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To reset your Instagram algorithm, you can check out your Instagram application in your device. So over here, make sure to log in into your Instagram account if you have not yet. Once logged in your bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. You need to head over and click on the given icon. So right over here in your profile at the top right corner, you will see the three horizontal line. Click on the given option. Now once you are in the settings and activity, you need to locate the option of content preference. Another term you can look for is suggested content and tap on it. So right over here, you will find the option called reset suggested content, just like this button right over here. You can click on reset suggested content option and reset your entire algorithm of your Instagram. Another thing that you can do is you will see this button called snooze suggested post in feed, which is based on your algorithm as well. So you can just toggle it on, which will help you to reset your algorithm as well. If you do not have any of this feature, this means your application needs an update. Check out your Play Store or App Store for available updates. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.